Hi guys, my name is Barbara, and I think I was one of your first clients. I was his first client. And it was COVID. COVID had just started. And I have a business, and at the time I had a boyfriend. I'm married now. One of our
You got married like the first week, or engaged the first
I got engaged the first week, and it was something that I had really been, looking like, really wanting. And my business grew exponentially since talking to Vic, and it was supposed to be like the hardest time, and honestly, I was thriving. I feel like we all need Vic in our lives. And I do feel like taking that time to really introspect and look inside and what we're lacking and what our limiting beliefs. I think that's one of the things that he helped me most with was my self-talk and my limiting beliefs at the time. So I greatly attribute a lot of my success to him. So thank you, Vic.